So we're just here in this bay, and that boat was about to lift anchor, and they kind of moved a lot forward with their anchor while they were lifting, and they picked up our anchor. So we're gonna sort out this shit show. So what I want you guys to do is this. What we need to do basically is make their anchor go up to the water level with our anchor. Since we don't have a lot more chain left in our anchor locker, we will need to ease out these lines a little bit, go more forward with the engine so that we can have more slack in our anchor chain. Okay? So clear all the lines from the water to make sure that we don't have, and listen to my command. I will need I will need an extra line, or they have extra line.
We need no, we need to move it from here.
Okay. What do you need to move?
This one, no?
No, I'm going on this to help them because I need to.
Ah, okay.
To.
So you need more taken out of these lines?
I need you guys to ease them out a little bit more, but go forward while you do that.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay, and stay somebody on the anchor as well at the front, and listen to what I say. Okay, I'm gonna give you commands. Oh, I'm still attached. Can you undo me?
Can you tell here what you hear from front, okay?
Yes. So you can already go forward and ease out slowly. I want you to go straight. Okay? Yeah. Ease out while you're going forward. Maddie? Yeah. Ease out some chain with the but pay attention that we're not running out of chain, okay? So look to the box and make sure that we're not running out of chain. Hello, hello.
How do you want to do it?
We're in forward, so we don't care if we lose the anchor. It's all good. We released as much as we can, so lift it up as much as you want. Give me a line, I will tie it on your anchor.
Yeah.
And then we see. We try to. Hello, hello. It happens all the time, don't worry.
Yeah, that's what captain says here too.
Yeah. Stress, 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 panic! Ah! Where are you guys from?
Sweden.
Sweden.
Germany.
Beautiful singing this morning, guys. Really? No, it was coordinated. Wait, let's lift the anchor first. Tie one end to your cleat. And then lift the anchor as much as you can.
I don't really understand what you want us to do.
So basically your anchor is grabbing something on my anchor.
Yeah.
Either the anchor or the chain.
Yeah.
What we're doing is we're lifting your anchor to water level.
Yeah.
And it will come with my anchor.
Okay.
So then we tie this to your, and then I pull it through my anchor, and then you drop your anchor and it frees it.
Okay, yeah, that's perfect.
Theoretically. We might need a hammer and do it.
Okay, so you just want to tie it onto the plate.
I need you to go forward with the boat a little bit. Not too dangerous, so it's just easier for us to lift the anchor. What we did is we let out all our chain and we moved forward with the boat. We released some of those stern lines to so that it will be easier to lift your anchor.
Okay, perfect.
Worst case, I need to dive down.
Yeah.
Let's go. That's good, stay there. Yeah, start lifting. Anchor up. Great. Great. No, great, great, sorry. Yeah. Slow down, let your windlass, we're using a lot of power, let it down, down, all good, go up. Yeah. Up, yeah. Yeah, yeah. Easy, go up, yeah. More, yeah. Great, a little bit more. Great, so now I just need that line. Tie it, give me here. So you see, the anchor is grabbing our chain. So right now, I just need this line here on this clit. Yeah, here, on this one, on this end. Look, I'm here. I would say tie it here. So bring everything here to this cleat because it's on this side, so it's gonna be easier. Yeah. I have a YouTube channel and Instagram channel teaching sailing, so this is for me, it's like perfect opportunity. Yeah. Yeah.
We'll have to go in and walk with that.
What's the name of the
Yeah,
channel?
what's the name of the channel?
Oran is my name. Oran Teach.
Warren teacher.
Oran Teach.
Okay.
Yeah.
And you're from Croatia?
No, I'm from Israel.
Israel, okay.
Yes. It's Instagram is more famous, but YouTube is getting there as well.
Stuck on your chain.
Yes. So
Yeah, that's perfect.
you see, I just easily wrap it around. Now tie it tight here, as tight as you can, and just wait.
Drop our anchor.
Yes.
Perfect. Yeah, we can just grab it on the cleat if you.
No, on this cleat, because it's gonna pull it from here. Yeah, tight, pull. But pull it as tight as you can. Yeah, just tie it, lock it on the cleat.
Why didn't we just tie it to your anchor chain and then drop our anchor?
That's what we're doing now. We're gonna drop your chain and it's gonna pull it from a different angle. So just drop your anchor chain.
It will just tip the anchor off.
Yes, I hope. If not, we tie to the other one. We try. Drop anchor. Is it lock? Yeah. Drop. Drop. Yeah. Yeah, now lift. Lift your anchor. Let's see. Yeah.
Släpp tampen.
Yeah. Great stuff. Alright guys, have fun. Bye bye. You're welcome. Or on teach, yes. Alright, so again, the beautiful thing about this is not to stress, right? They're holding on our anchor, we still have shorelines and we have the engine on, we are in position and everything is good. I think our anchor is still holding well, so we can continue to enjoy our morning. It's shakshuka morning, so you know, don't fuck with my shakshuka morning. Yeah, so assign roles, keep someone on the helm with simple instruction like go forward, stay here, stay there. Don't stress the crew, use the paddleboard or a dinghy to get there, bring the anchor to water level. You might need to ask the other boat to go forward or drop more chain so that it's easier for them to lift. Once the anchor is at water level or close to water level, wrap a line around one of them, either the anchor or the chain, whatever element you have there, tie it to a cleat, and then when you drop it, again, like I showed you, it pulls it from a different angle and it will get everything free. This one was an easy anchor salad shit show, but sometimes it gets a little bit rough, and then you need to get all MacGyver on that shit and kind of use hammers, use whatever. Just don't do anything stupid. Don't stress when this happens. Yeah, get the fenders out, whatever, you know, whatever will work for you. And that's it. What a beautiful opportunity to film. Thank you guys. Woohoo! How are we doing over here? Yeah?
I don't think the anchor is holding.
Okay. It's okay, it's during the day. We're just eating breakfast and then we leave as well. The wind is not coming from over there, so we really don't have anything to worry about, because they might have lifted our anchor or gave us a little bit shittier hold. But you see the boat is standing still right now, and this is strong wind. No, we're not going backward. When you gave reverse, no?
No.
Ah, but now you're not going backward. Are we moving? I don't think we're moving. Yeah. We're good. Let's eat breakfast and fuck off. Great lesson.